This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by protecting your skin and surfaces. That prevents staining and irritation. Put on gloves and apply a thin barrier of petroleum jelly along the hairline. Mix the dye and developer in a non-metal bowl at the manufacturer's ratio, commonly 1:1 or 1:1. Because correct chemistry ensures predictable lift and tone. Once mixed, divide hair into 4 clips and take a 1/2-inch subsection at the nape to start applying. This controlled start gives even saturation and a cleaner result. You should work methodically through each subsection, applying dye with a brush and saturating from root to ends for single process color, because consistent coverage avoids patchiness. If you are doing a touch-up, apply to roots first and leave mid-lengths until the last 10 minutes to match previously colored hair. Comb through gently after applying to ensure even distribution and clip process sections away. Make sure to set a timer and stick to the recommended processing time to control lift and prevent damage. Once done, rinse with lukewarm water until it runs clear. This stops the chemical process and prevents further lift. Apply the included color-safe conditioner and leave it on for the suggested time to reseal the cuticle and add moisture. If you notice brassiness, a toner or purple-based glaze will neutralize unwanted warm tones. Use as directed because toners work by counteracting color. If you experience burning or severe irritation at any point, rinse immediately and seek professional or medical advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.